Hello everyone! Welcome back to Digital Growth Tutor. In today's video, we're going to learn about location targeting in Meta Ads Manager and how to use it properly to improve your Facebook and Instagram ad performance. Let's get started. Location targeting allows you to choose where your ads will be shown geographically. You can target countries, cities, states or regions, postal codes, or even a specific radius around a location. This helps you avoid wasting budget on people outside your target market. First, log into your Meta Ads Manager account. Create a new campaign or go to the ad set level of an existing campaign. Scroll down to the Audience section. Here, you will see the location targeting option. By default, Meta may select your current country. You can add locations, exclude locations, or narrow down specific areas. You can add a country simply by searching the country name or browsing from the list. You can also select multiple countries at the same time. This is useful if you sell internationally, you provide worldwide digital services, or you want to target several markets together. You can target the entire country or filter cities based on population size. For example, the entire United States, or cities over 1 million. You can see there are 11 cities over 1 million population. You can search and add multiple cities very easily. For example, I'm adding London and Sydney. Meta also allows you to target whole city or areas using a radius. You can select 10 miles up to 50 miles around a city. This is very useful for local businesses, restaurants, clinics, service providers. You can even target a specific address with a 1 mile radius. For example, around a shop, office, gym, or local business location. This helps reach people very close to your business. Another powerful feature is the exclude option. For example, you can target the entire United States, but exclude Florida. This is useful if you don't provide service in certain areas, shipping is unavailable, or you want to avoid low-performing regions. You may also see a checkbox that says, reach more people likely to respond to your ad. What this means is, if enabled, Meta may expand your targeting slightly to find additional people who are likely to engage or convert. This can work well for online stores, nationwide businesses, products with no delivery limitations. But for local businesses, this option is usually less useful because you want tighter local targeting. You can also include or exclude locations in bulk using countries, regions or states, cities, postal codes, addresses, ComScore markets. For example, you can exclude specific postal codes in New South Wales, Australia, if you don't want ads showing there. Meta will first match the location, then add to the audience targeting. There is also an option to drop a pin directly on the map. For example, I am dropping a pin in Brisbane. By default, Meta will target a 10-mile surrounding area around that pin location. You can easily change the radius from 1 mile up to 50 miles, depending on your business needs. This feature is very useful for local businesses, delivery services, clinics, restaurants, event promotions. You can also drop multiple pins on different locations to target several specific areas directly from the map. This gives you much more precise local targeting compared to selecting only cities or countries. I hope this video helped you clearly understand Facebook ads location targeting and all the advanced options available in Meta Ads Manager. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Digital Growth Tutor for more practical digital marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.